To transfer music files to your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 is fairly simple. You just need to ensure that you currently have the Galaxy Wearable app installed and set up and connected to your watch itself. And then from here, you're going to navigate to Watch Settings. Scroll and select the option Manage Content. You may be prompted to give necessary permissions if you haven't been to this section yet. And then you're going to select the option Tracks on Watch under Music. From here, you should be able to see the current songs that have already been synced to the watch. If you don't see the music that you would like, just go ahead and select this plus option and then choose all of the music that you would like added and then select Add to Watch. Now from here, you may be prompted to give necessary permissions on the watch itself. So go ahead and navigate to your notifications and give permissions. But once you do that, you should now be able to see your music successfully added to the watch itself. So you can go ahead and navigate to tracks or to your music, give necessary permissions, and then you should be able to see when you swipe up the option library. So go ahead and select it and then select tracks and you should be able to see all of your music listed. If you still don't see all of your music listed, then on your phone in the Galaxy Wearable app, simply enable AutoSync just so that every time you add a song to your tracks on watch, it is automatically synced to your watch itself. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.